Hello there. My name is Leonardo Estrada. I am a graduate student in the Immunology Department at UT Southwestern. Today, I'll be answering a question for the Ask a Scientist program. Today's question comes from Allison. She is 9 years old and in the 4th grade. And her question is, what is the biggest bone in your body? This is a very cool question. And the short answer is that it is your femur, or just a fancy way of saying your thigh bone. This is a bone that extends from your hip to your knee. On average, the length of your thigh bone is about 1/4 of your height. However, that varies depending on age. As a 9-year-old female, the length of your thigh bone compared to your height is actually higher compared to that of a 9-year-old male. And this is because girls go through an earlier growth spurt compared to boys. Another interesting thing about bones is how they're made up. There's 4 layers to a bone. So if you cut a bone in the middle and look at it from the side, you're going to have almost a round-shaped cross-section. The first layer of the bone is called the periosteum, and that is the outermost layer of the bone. This is a thin membrane that contains nerves and blood vessels that give nourishment to your bone. The second layer of the bone is what's called the compact bone. This is the smooth and hardest part of your bone that you normally see on skeletons. The third layer after that is the cancellous bone. Cancellous bone almost looks like a sponge, with holes in between the solid parts of your bone. This cancellous bone is not as hard as compact bone, but it's still very strong. And cancellous bone protects the 4th layer of your bones, which is the bone marrow. The bone marrow, in my opinion, is the coolest part of your bone because that contains all the materials that you need to give rise to red blood cells and white blood cells in all of your body. White blood cells, along with other physical organs in your body, is what makes up the immune system. And this is your body's way of protecting itself against invading microbes, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even parasites. So there you have it. The biggest bone in your body is your thigh bone. I hope that this answer was helpful to you, and now you're going to be able to look at your legs a whole different way whenever you're running, cycling, kicking, or even stretching. Until next time, have a good day.